We're at Micron Subcon now. They can do milling and turning, but they've also got this state-of-the-art grinder, a GER, or as the Spanish say, GER. It's an SCA 6040, which means 600 by 400 size components on there, on your magnetic table just in there. You can see it just tinkering, running away in the background there, but 3-axis grinder as you'd expect. But the beauty of this machine is a profile. So if we can just focus on those, you can change between profiles, exceptionally simple, loads and loads of different profiles. And what they'll do is they've got the wheel here, just pick that up. I'm making it look heavy, that's because it flipping well is. But here, now you can obviously grind your own wheels. What they'll be using is industrial diamonds here. So these tips, they can dress those using those, and also the flat just inside the machine envelope there to make those different profiles so you can do all the different angles. But a great example, as you can see here, these are different profiles that we've got set in the machine. So I'll just whiz through some of those quickly. So your angles, there we go. And that one there, you see 2 different angles it will grind. And what will happen is the wheel will move in the Y and the Z there to get those different angles ground on the component. But a fantastic part about this is, if I quickly flick through this one, I'm trusting this is making good viewing. There you do your flats, but you can also do your sides. So a great example of that is one I prepared earlier. So essentially what they're grinding here is the flat, but also the sides here at the same time. Now this machine will hold easily all day long 5 micron tolerances. So it's a great, great machine. Micron Subcon. Any grinding you need, get in contact with the guys here.